Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exiting or coming to an end. We're on Highway 2000 and this is where the road currently ends in Mammee Bay. Now, this is a major highway, but look at it, literally ends into a roundabout. A lot of accidents happen out here by the Mammee Bay roundabout because they need a proper interchange. Now, Jamaica needs about 4 major interchanges to connect the highways in Jamaica. One, they need one out here because the Highway 2000 north-south leg, which is the road we're on, merges into the Northern Coastal Highway here, and it's done at a roundabout, which is not, how would you say it now? There are better ways to do it. A lot of accidents happen out here. Look to the left. A lot of trucks turn over here. And sometimes there is a bottleneck right here because 2 major highways in Jamaica intersect. And both these highways actually need to be expanded because of the amount of traffic on both of them. So this is a Northern Coastal Highway we are on now. So a major interchange needs to be built with overpasses at Mammee Bay. And I think 4 in all need to be built. One is here at Mammee Bay. Another one is out by Caymanos in Kingston, where you can connect Highway 2000 north-south leg to Highway 2000 east-west leg, and also connect to Mandela Highway. So that has been announced and they're going to build it. It's part of, is it part of the CapEx program? I can't remember, but it was announced. NROC is in charge of it. I'm not sure which project it falls on, but it was announced and it's going to be built out by Caymanos. Then we need, so Caymanos Interchange is one. The Mammee Bay Interchange is needed. That no announcements have been made yet, but the Northern Coastal Highway is going to be expanded, and Highway 2000 is going to be expanded from that spot at Mammee Bay down to Trelawney. So I'm almost sure they will put in an interchange when those projects are being done. The third interchange we're going to need is in Montego Bay. Now, this one has not been announced yet either, but you have the toll road, Highway 2000 east-west leg coming into Montego Bay. Then you have the Montego Bay perimeter road being built. That's to take you around Montego Bay. And then you have the Montego Bay bypass to take you from Montego Bay to Negril being built. No, with all, and then you have we said Highway 2000 is coming in. And it's just a matter of time before Highway 2000 north-south leg, because it's going to go as far as Trelawney. It's going to end up in Montego Bay eventually. So a major interchange needs to be built in Montego Bay because all the roads, major roads on that side of the island, are going to go through Montego Bay or lead to Montego Bay eventually. Both major highways, the perimeter road, the bypass road, and you even have a road coming from Savlamar, the Macfield main road, coming down. So Montego Bay might even need 2 interchanges, the amount of roads that are going to lead to Montego Bay. And the 4th interchange that's needed in Jamaica is somewhere on the south coast. Now, St. Elizabeth is Hodges. You're going to have a highway 2000 east-west leg in Hodges will go from Hodges to Montego Bay, and from Hodges to Negril. So an interchange has to be built out there to accommodate those 2 sections of the road. That is a given. I'm sure it will be done. But another interchange needs to be built. Maybe you can do it from Hodges, but you need a road that takes you from, say, Mandeville or St. Elizabeth back to Discovery Bay. So if you're in Mandeville and you need to get to the north coast, you have to go through, and you want to do it via highway, you have to go all the way through Montego Bay or come into Kingston and go back down. They need to build a highway from, could be Hodges, could be St. Elizabeth. It can work from St. Elizabeth back to Discovery Bay. But maybe Mandeville might be a better spot. And if they do it there, then they're going to need an interchange. So somewhere on the south coast, an interchange is needed. So maybe we might end up with actually 5 major interchanges. But these highways have to be connected and connected properly. So guys, let me know what you think about these interchanges. And yeah, they definitely need. And you know, originally when Highway 2000 was designed, when IDB did the feasibility study, a road was to be built. I don't know if it was from Maypen to Discovery Bay or Mandeville to Discovery Bay, but a road was to be built along that route. But it was later decided not to do it. I'm not sure if it was the cost. I'm not sure exactly what the reasoning was for not building the road. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below.